In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Smartsheet to track tasks so you can stay organized, monitor progress, and keep projects on schedule. First, log into your Smartsheet account and create a new sheet. Choose Grid View to set up a simple task tracker. Next, add columns such as task name, due date, status, and assigned to. These columns will help you organize and manage your tasks effectively. Start entering your tasks, assign them to team members if needed, and set due dates to keep everyone accountable. As tasks progress, update the status column to reflect whether they're not started, in progress, or complete. You can also switch between different views, such as Grid View for detailed information, Gantt View for project timelines, or Card View for a visual workflow. To stay on top of deadlines, consider setting up automated reminders and notifications so team members receive updates when tasks are due. Review your sheet regularly and update task information as work progresses to keep your project data accurate and up to date. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use Smartsheet to track tasks. Thanks for watching.